It was difficult to accept. Sorry. Multiple sclerosis. My God. Ginoo ko, Lord, unsa naman yun eh. Mag-text ako kada, I want to die. Uy, I just want to sleep. I want to sleep forever. Oh, wala talaga, waiting for my death. Hi! I'm Jocelyn Aga, 60-year-old this October, and I'm a doctor by profession, a certified family physician, and master of public health. 2016-2017, year of my USAID work, kasi 5 years contract ako. When I reached Cagayan de Oro, I cannot move anymore. Talagang spinal cord problem ito. So, oh my God, I was shocked with the bones. Multiple sclerosis, my God. I know that kung multiple sclerosis ako, talagang going down na ako. Pain, difficulty in walking, tapos may nag-snap dito sa aking neck, down sa aking back. Parang lightning, sudden onset of pain. Kanya yun ako sa pain. So, they treated me, my neurologist treated me for a year of steroids. So I just don't complain because if it's the medicine, then so I ballooned from 45 to 46 kilos. I went up to 80 to 85 kilograms. Imagine that. So the more that I cannot walk anymore because I'm so fat. Kasi morphine injection every 2 months almost. Yung ano na talaga, severe na talaga masyado. It really relieves pain. So, okay lang ako kasi nakarelieve ng pain. Pero back in my mind, I know the effects of all those medications. So, I said, I have to stop. So, sabi ko sa husband ko, Daddy, I have to stop taking the medication because wala akong magawa nito. Sige na lang ako tulog. Oh, wala na talaga. Waiting for my death. May thoughts ako na tama na to. 50s naman ako. Sige na, go na. Pero thinking about my children, sabi ko, Lord, wag na muna. Bargain. But that was the lowest part of my... One day, nag-duty ako sa Turil. Then ito si Marivic, yung number na ng Gap Guard. Until, nung na-surprise din ako sa mga testimonials. After mga 9 o'clock tapos ko, Sir, I'll take your medicine. Doc, yes, sir. I don't know, I have a gut feel na effective sa akin. Tatakamata ko mga 6 in the morning na niya. Wala na yung tao, kaya akong husband, wala na sa akuhan. Ako rin yung nabilin diri. So pag 11 o'clock, take na po 2 cups. Kanya, lunch, mingaw magkayo. Basta 3 o'clock, nagkawas naman ko diri. Ilandong-landong na. Naglimpyo ko sa gawas. Nag-cut ko sa mga sagbot. Si then Marivic called up. Do, kumusta ka? Umawag yapon, kaon Japon-Japas, ano naman. Vic, naglimpyo ko sa among kanal. Ha? Hindi ka na una day ka. Ang butoy, ngayon sana ako pag ano nga nalimpyo naman ang kanal. Hindi ko ay kumpiyansa ba? Ikulang kibo nga bitaw eh. Basta maura na ako nakuha na, nakalakaw na ako dito. So, goodbye morphine, goodbye morphine MST, goodbye pregabalin, goodbye carbamazepine, and a lot more of goodbyes. And now, hello Symbiotic from the Gut Guard. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.